Today, I'm pleased to announce that I've launched a new community channel. It will feature content on wood turning and woodworking from various members of the YouTube community. Welcome to One Stop Woodturning. This channel will be dedicated to showcasing community projects and boosting those small creators that you've never heard of but do fantastic work. We'll have weekly uploads, different length content, and it'll be a very fun community experience. You will find all sorts of projects from large, small and medium creators on here, with the aim to showcase YouTube's best wood turners and woodworkers. As I said before, this is a community-based project and will be driven by the people that watch and the creators that make the videos. We will have challenge videos throughout the year to see which content creator can do it best in set parameters, and we'll have competitions and giveaways on a regular basis. This will soon become your one-stop woodturning YouTube channel. If you're interested in participating in showcasing your content on this channel, leave a comment or email onestopwoodturning@gmail.com.